giving me headache. Like
my Bob the Builder sister. Bob the Builder, can we fix it?
this room will be like, yay! Hi guys, good morning. I don't know what's happening. I don't know why my cramps, I don't know if anybody experiences this, like it's giving me headache. Like I no longer have stomach pain, right? But I have like this side of my head to my eyes is hurting me so bad, and it's been going on for like 2 days, 3 days now. It's not the first time it's happening, so like when I'm on my period, something things like this happen sometimes, but this one is like, it's just amazing. Anyways, it's Wednesday. I am in school. I'm trying to see how I can finish up some of my assignments and to-do list. Then I have an exam later around 2 p.m. But the exam is not an in-person exam. It's for me to just submit it. So I already finished it. I just need to submit it. And when I'm done, I will just head to the store. Yeah, I'm going to the store today. I know I don't go on Wednesdays, but I'm going today. We need to sort out a lot of things. So I'm kind of going to help. I just thought to check in, to say good morning, and to let you all know what's happening. For now, I want to study. It's like 11:30 a.m. I just uploaded on Instagram. So I completed that quota for the day. And now I want to study and do my assignments. And yeah, that's it. Bye, guys. Beautiful people, it is, what's today? Today is Thursday. Ignore all the arguing at the back. People are like arguing, I don't know why. Maybe I'm in the wrong store. But anyways, I'm here at this furniture store. My sister is trying to get some furnitures. This is the same place we got our beddings from like 2 years ago. So she's trying to get some furniture. So we came to see it. So, and I was carrying you guys along with me. Yesterday I got too tired. I went back to the store when I finished my exams, and I just didn't bother to like come back to show you guys what I was up to. But today, for now, this is what we're up to. From here we'll be heading to the store, I believe. But yeah, I'm wearing 2-piece sets. It's from ASOS and it was a gift. No, it was a gift. I kind of wore it and I didn't return it, basically. Let me show you guys. These setups are so nice. setups are so cozy. Like, I can't wait to actually set up a house. That would be a nice adventure. I've never in my life set up a house before. I've been very uninterested in these things. But now I'm in this place now and it's making me feel like it might be something I would like to do. We'll see. Not the bed she likes, so we are heading out. But yeah, we actually came to buy bed. I came and I was like, what are we going to buy? So she didn't see the bed she likes. That other one, the edge is too much. I think that you don't want it to consume too much space, Abby. But the edge is just too wide. Oh, you don't like it? Let's not buy it. I'm sorry. Let's keep it moving then to the next place. Bed ons number 2. These people have like literally the same setup as the first place that we just went to. Like, I'm not even seeing. I think that those ones people have more things than these ones, to be honest.
Really break something because in that bed. No.
In the third place, and I think the more we go, the smaller it becomes, because this one is also way smaller than the other one we just left now. So I don't know. But do they have more beds? But they have almost the same design. I think everywhere here has almost the same designs of beds and everything like that. Yep. Store to perfume. To perfume store. I don't even know. I was already dozing off at the furniture store because I was trying to attend to my statistics exam. But now we're at the perfume store. It feels and smells so good in here. Well, I want to get a perfume. I don't think I'm supposed to build like a perfume collection, honestly. I don't really have perfumes like that. I have like a bunch of body sprays, but perfumes, no. So we need to do something about that. Like, we are going into 2026. We need to smell like how we want to be addressed. Anyways, I hope my money can carry anything in here, because they are Arabian perfumes, and one thing we know is that they're expensive. But let's see.
Wide range actually. You must have this distribution. Move this on the back.
Hi guys, good morning. Today's Friday, and yesterday did we get a bed yesterday?
I think we did.
We did finally get a bed, and this is the room that we want to, or no, that my sister wants to transform. Because if I say we now and she hears we, she probably will be like, you are the Danny. So this is the room that she wants to transform, and I'm actually looking forward to the outcome. I'm going to the store. I won't be here for most of the work part of the thing, but yeah, I want to come back home and see the magic. She did get the bed. We got some other accessories like to use to decorate the room. So yeah, let me go to the store, get some assignments done. Tomorrow is equally a long weekend because I have a shoot for like a fashion brand. She's starting she's starting a brand, and I'm kind of modeling for her tomorrow. But today, what did I do this morning? I cooked a goosey, and now I'm heading to the store. So I'll see you guys later. Hopefully by the time we get back, this room will be like anyways, see you guys later, guys. My Bob the Builder sister. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder. I said, yes, we can. We can. You know, carry me go different construction place.
You never see anything.
You never see anything.
Where are we going to find it now?
What are we looking for today?
For the, what they call it? For the vents in the kitchen. That one that Mr. Michael bought.
Oh, vents. Are you sure we're not supposed to? It's not his fault though.
But it was one that said to have
In my absence, that's even the best part. Wasn't around.
It's only God that said that I'm still in the business of things. The man said we should go away. That was why I went outside to go and look for. I did not see where people kept it. And if I talk again today now, people will say
it's you in particular. It's you that remove it from the water. It's you.
Our own is,
maybe we should just hold it and take it to the front.
it's not just the food. This is the filter.
Hi beautiful people, how y'all doing? So before I got home yesterday, the bed arrived and everything else was like set up the room. What we went to do in the place you saw me last was want to pick up paints, because my boys have somehow designed this house with pen, pencil and all that good stuff. They also delivered the dining table. I wasn't around for the setup, so I don't have videos from the setup, but I will just show you guys what it looks like. And basically that's all for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Me and my body builder sister, I think we did a decent job. For me especially, that I'm uninterested, it's not like I did so much, but anyways, the dining table she wanted, unfortunately they brought the right thing, but upon installation it broke, so we had to go for something else. She doesn't really like this one, but we have to make do with what we have. But anyways, that's all. That was everything that happened between then and now. And I just wanted to say, I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video soon. Bye. The next clip you're going to see, that's if I didn't show it before now, or whatever. Bye guys.